Introducing the 2023 Skoda Enyaq 60 i4s 5 door auto in a sleek grey finish. This electric vehicle is perfect for those looking for style, comfort and sustainability. With automatic transmission and an estatejeep body style, this car is both practical and luxurious. Equipped with a wide range of features, from air conditioning to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this car ensures a safe and enjoyable driving experience. The interior boasts cup holders, luxury trim, and a load cover parcel shelf for added convenience. Not only does this vehicle offer top-notch security and safety features, such as multiple airbags and a pedestrian warning system, it also comes with roof rails and a spoiler for a stylish touch. Rest assured, this Skoda Enyaq has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to drive home in the car of your dreams. Call us now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Upgrade your driving experience with the 2023 Skoda Enyaq today.